Hello and welcome to the Manhattan Project. I am Todd and I'm doing something very unique to the channel today. Doing a beer review. This one is by Farmacy Brewing and it's called Beet Box. And it's a West Coast IPA with Simcoe-Mosaic-Enigma-Strata hops and beet juice. You saw me pouring when we first started. The pour has always been a point of contention, and I guess at the end of the day, you like it how you like it. But one of the videos that I saw is that if you pour it the way I do, where you just let it foam up naturally without doing the 45, you get rid of a lot of the foam, not a lot of the foam, obviously, but ultimately a lot of the gas that comes out of the beer, and which ends up in your stomach, and in a lot of cases doesn't make you feel good. So I've been doing this lately, and I found while it does suck having to wait for this the head to die down, it does seem to be a lot less gas, and I don't feel bad after drinking a beer. And the last thing you want, especially when you're drinking an IPA or one of these, heavier ABV beers, is to feel, disgusting afterwards. So we're gonna give this a try. By Farmacy Brewing, Beet Box West Coast IPA with beet juice. Okay. Maybe it'll hit me. It's just now hitting me. Yes, I'm just the beet flavor is minimal. It's very, very little at all. It definitely doesn't hit your palate as soon as you drink it. It takes a few seconds to get the back of your throat, back of the mouth anyways. Yeah, so my only complaint about this is say it! I almost wish it had a little more beet taste to it, but then it's probably one of those things where a little is too much. So you've been watching the POV shorts, and I'll put a link to that playlist if you're interested. I give those a score. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with this. And I'm just going to call this a really good IPA, 8 out of 10.
Cilantro.